So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find houses for rent here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in your location. So I'll just go ahead here and use New York City as an example. Once the location is selected, I'll just go to the map view for simplicity's sake. Next thing I want you to do to find a house, because I think right now it defaults to apartments if I'm not mistaken, I want you to go to where it says type right here. Now where it says type, there's apartments, condos, etc. I want you to make sure that house is selected and then press on view results. Then once you're here, you actually have refined your search to where only houses are showing in regards to the listings on the screen. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find houses for rent here on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.